have here is a 1993 Mazda MX-6, the FSDE, which is technically stock out of the Mazda Speed Protege, Protege 5. These are interesting. These are sitting underneath of my valve springs. Valve seat shims. These are the valve springs that I'm running. These are the valves. They're a little dirty. They're going to need cleaned. This was obviously the one from the blown head, or from the blown head gasket. Head completely disassembled. Camshafts are out. Block is looking pretty good. Pretty clean all the way across. And no major cracks or anything to worry about in the block. Checked everything with a feeler gauge. Should be able to just slap a head gasket in and get it going.